Before we begin with the actual press con proper, we just like to announce po, no, that a letter was submitted to the Senate. First and foremost, before we get to the motion, which will be explained by Minority Leader Libanan, that we have submitted a letter, the prosecutor, signed by the other 10 prosecutors, including myself, that we have appointed, constituted, and empowered the most senior member of the public prosecutors, the Honorable Marcelino C. Libanan, to perform the following acts on behalf of all public prosecutors in the VP Duterte impeachment case. A, to execute the verification in relation to any petition, motion, pleading that must be filed on our behalf. B, to sign and file any motion, pleading, or submission on behalf of the prosecution. And C, to execute all other documents and perform all other acts necessary to give effect to the foregoing authority. Thus, in summary, we have instituted the Honorable Libanan to be empowered to sign any of these documents in relation to impeachment. So, although it is not yet formal, in effect, ito po yung tinatawag po natin na lead prosecutor. So, to give further information on the filing today, we defer po to the lead prosecutor.
Salamat, Congressman Rudes Gutierrez, sa inyo pong lahat. Magandang hapon. Sa sinabi po, tungkol sa sinabi ni Congressman Rudes Gutierrez kanina, we filed a motion for entry with motion to issue summons sa Senado. Ito po ay tungkol sa pag-file ng House ng impeachment noong February 5 laban sa ating Vice President Sara Duterte. At pinirmahan po namin ito noong March 14 na entry with motion to issue summons. Pero hindi namin kaagad i-file dahil ang tingin po namin ay break nila. Sinasabi nila baka hindi sila makapagtrabaho dahil break na yung Senado. Pero apparently, nagkaroon po sila ng hearing last Thursday nung committee ni Senadora Amy. Ibig sabihin, nagtatrabaho pa rin po ang Senado. Kaya ngayong araw ay i-final po natin itong entry with motion to issue summons. Anong ibig po sabihin nito? Una ay ipinahayag po namin na nakahanda po ang House. Kahit po ngayon ay panahon din ng kampanya po namin, kami ni Congressman Rose Gutierrez ay nangangampanya, dahil inatasan po kami na maglitis, maging prosecutors, ay gagawin po namin ang aming tungkulin. At ayon po sa rules of impeachment ng Senado, pag mayroong na-file sa Senado na impeachment complaint, the Senate shall start the proceedings forthwith. Simulan kaagad. Anong ibig sabihin ng forthwith? Without delay, right away, without delay. Yun po ang ibig sabihin po ng forthwith. So, kahit ano po ang ginagawa natin, dahil napakahalaga po ito, ay kailangan gumulong kaagad ang impeachment. At dahil po dito ay nag-motion kami na isyuhan ng summons ang ating Vice President para sagutin na po niya at kung maaari, kung kaya nila, naipakita naman nila na kaya nila, nung mag-hearing sila sa Senado, magtrabaho po kami. Dahil noong March 23, nag-release po ako ng press release kung anong kahalagahan ng impeachment. Una, napakahalagaan ito dahil it is, the first reason is to prevent more harm, further harm. Kung may ginagawa ang isang opisyal na nakakasama sa ating bayan, hindi lang ito sa kahit sinong impeachable officer, ay kailangan ma-prevent yung harm na kanyang ginagawa. Second is to uphold the rule of law. May konstitusyon tayo at ito po'y nasa loob ng ating konstitusyon. Provide po ito na pag sinabi ng congressman na 1/3 of all the members ay didiretso na sa Senado. 1/3 of all the members didiretso na sa Senado. Why? Kasi representative ng taong bayan yung mga representative sa Kongreso. Pag sinabing 215 na members of Congress, that is 2/3 of all the members of the House. So malaking obligasyon po yan. kailangan nananaig sa atin ang rule of law. Ang ating konstitusyon, ang pinakamataas na batas po sa atin. The third reason is to maintain public trust para palaging nagtitiwala ang taong bayan sa mga nanunungkulan dahil pag na-erode ang public trust, walang gobyernong makakatayo. Ang pang-apat is to preserve institutional integrity. Kaya pag ganitong mga proseso, hindi po pwede na may delay, mga delaying tactics dahil napaka-mataas po ito na gagawin natin dahil ito po'y ang nililitis sa impeachment ay ang pinakamatataos na official natin. Ang panglima is to set up precedent to deter future misconduct of high public officials. Para kung may hindi tamang ginagawa, ay sana hindi na mangyari. Kaya napaka-importante po ang prosesong ito at dahil sa entry with motion to issue summons ay pasasagutin na ang ating Vice President in a period of 10 days from receipt in accordance with the rules, impeachment rules of the Senate na hindi pa naman nila binabago hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sirs. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of House Deputy Majority Leader Paulo Ortega Dapip and House Assistant Majority Leader J. Conghunap Zambales, who were present earlier. Sir, thank you for dropping by. Let's now call on Tina Panganiban Perez for today's first question.
Good afternoon po, sirs. Senate President Chis Escudero said that he will refer the pleading that you filed this morning to the Senate legal team so they can discuss this tomorrow. Why is there a need to do such, sir?
Alam niyo, lahat po kami ay sumusunod, lahat po tayo dapat sumunod sa Constitution. Kung sinasabi ng Constitution that the proceeding shall start forthwith, kailangan sumunod kami. Otherwise, pag hindi kami sumunod, kami na ang nagbabiolate ng ating Constitution. So, kahit anong ginagawa po namin, dahil napakahalaga ng prosesong ito, ay kailangan sumunod po kami sa ating pinaka-fundamental law. At yun po ang lahat ng oath of office namin ay based doon sa ating Constitution at gagampanan namin ng walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas ang aming mga sinumpaang katungkulan.
In addition to what the Minority Leader has mentioned, the prosecution has collectively taken the stand that, given the Constitution says that the trial under the Senate will proceed immediately forthwith, we are of the opinion that legally sound naman po yung aming motion. However, we do understand that the good Senate President might have a differing opinion, and thus we would understand the reason for them to refer to their legal team. But we remain confident that our submission is in line with our legal theory po.
Sirs, is the Senate violating the Constitution for every day that it does not start trial? It's already violating the Constitution, sir?
May tinatawag na interparliamentary courtesy. Ayokong magsalita, pero ang gusto ko lang sabihin na ay nandun yung Constitution natin. Lahat naman tayo nakakaintindi po niyan.
Po. Sir, habang hindi pa po convened yung Senate Impeachment Court, pwede pong mag-file ng ganitong pleadings?
Alam niyo po, kahit break po ang kami, alam niyo, hindi na lang itong ganitong hearings ang nadaanan natin. Mula ng 11th Congress ay marami na akong nakita. Kahit nung panahon ng mga break, obligado because impeachment is separate from the regular hearings of the House. Kaya kahit break, pwede mag-constitute dahil napaka-importante po nito sa ating konstitusyon. Kahit nga hindi impeachment, nakikita po natin, nagtutuloy-tuloy yung hearings ng House, nagtutuloy-tuloy ng hearings ng Senado. Mas lalo na pag ganitong usapin na this is specified precisely by the Constitution on what is the importance of this process. Alam niyo, yung taong bayan, mahirapan silang idulog sa mga korte natin pag pinakamatataas na official ang pinag-uusapan. That's the reason why we have this process.
Pero sir, earlier sinabi na po ni Senate President na magkaiba po yung regular hearings doon po sa impeachment. So, yung stand po ng prosecution panel, ganun pa rin na pinaka-importante itong impeachment at dapat forthwith simulan na.
Napakaklaro ko po ng ating Constitution that the impeachment process shall start forthwith. Anong ibig sabihin ng forthwith? Right away, without delay. Kami naman po sa 11-man prosecution team, we have to follow this, that we have to assume our duties and responsibilities para gampanan po namin. Medyo gusto rin namin mangampanya, mag-break, ganun din. Pero because of this provision of the Constitution, wala kaming magagawa eh. Pero kung ano ang interpretation nila, sabi ko nga, basahin natin siguro. At saka, pero inirespeto natin, may tinatawag tayong interparliamentary courtesy. Taong bayan na po ang decision dyan at may regular court naman, may Supreme Court naman po tayo. Sana ay madesisyonan po ito.
Sir, last na lang po from my end. You cited several provisions in the Constitution and the rules on the impeachment trial in your pleading. Do you think that's enough to convince the Senate legal team and the Senate President to change their timeline? Kasi ang naunang sabi, after SONA pa po.
Alam nyo, lahat ito nakikinig sa taong bayan, lalo na pag nakita nila na ang mga prosecutors ay handang gampanan ng aming tungkulin at naghanda po kami sa iniutos sa amin ng buong Kamara. Palagay ko makikinig sila dito.